Kasi grabe yung tinrabaho ng mga magkabilang panig natin, you know, giving us quality rallies in that first set. But it is Perpetual getting the upper hand, trying to end this 4-game slide and get back in our Final Four race. Mariano getting extended minutes today, filling in for Gaa, si Colette Gaa na magpapahinga muna ngayong araw na to alongside Joanna Lozano, their libero. Sabi wala daw check. Is this gonna be a challenge? It is gonna be a challenge.
No, no contact on that block. Yun ang kasi challenge dito ni Coach Sandy.
Ito na siguro yung pinakamaagang challenge na nakita ko in the first play. Pero sabi ni Winnie, wala, di ko hinawakan. Bumalik lang yung bola. So, and the Lady Altos, Coach will have, well, a lull after Wednesday because of the elections, I think. And that's an opportunity for our players and teams to regroup.
Yeah,
going into the middle part of the second round.
Yung exciting na part.
Yeah.
Kaya kailangan ito, it's more than physical rest, it's mental rest. Yung kasi again, pressure will always be there. It would either make you or break you. You would either be discarded or you will be formed into a diamond. Yun lang kasi play yan eh. So, how do you handle those multiple stressors? Kasi kailangan kontrolado mo yung environment mo. Lalo na ngayon, importante ang bawat panalo, dikit-dikit ang number 3 hanggang sa number 7.
Kasi medyo
tapos magtatapat pa yung mga yan. So, importante ang bawat laro.
Kasi medyo nagpo-pull away na yung top 2 teams natin. Let's see if there was a touch. Winnie said there was not, pero meron.
Klarong-klaro.
Malinaw. So, EAC gets the point.
Naka-duty ka ba on election day? Hindi. Nodan tayo ng Jamie News.
Nodan tayo. Tignan natin.
Sa USCO Plus.
Yan. Diyan natin naasahan yung mga kapuso natin. Di ba?
Dami yan.
Yung mga nangyayari.
Exciting yan.
Sa mga local precinct.
Midterm. Oh! That's no doubt. Kill on the middle. Good timing by Winnie Bedanya and Fifi Ariola.
Sabi ni Winnie, okay, my bad. The first point was my bad. I'll get it back right away.
Pero nonchalant pa rin siya. Nonchalant lang.
Kahit malakas yung hataw. Dayanan. This is Omipon getting set up by Andal. Ito, nagkatabi si Bedanya at si Ariola.
5 touches yata yun sa kanilang dalawa kasi kumarambola sa gitna nila. A little hesitation right there.
This is the return. And Bedanya, as in...
Ada lifting pala kay Winnie.
Well,
yung angulo natin parang kumarambola sa kamay nila eh.
Well, Bedanya had established position.
Pero sisigaw ka nun eh. Kung ikaw yung setter, pangalawang bola, malapit sa'yo eh.
Dapat talaga siya.
Siya yan eh.
Formento. Angled hit by Dayanan. Omipon. Alimen is now in the ball game. Magalona. Tulak. Not gonna work. Formento this time to Jing Alimen. Pinangat. Omipon!
Heavy hitters. So good attack there by Shai Omipon. I want to see more of these.
Yeah.
Ilang atake siya dito? Pangatlong malinis na yan in this game. Na clear shot, nakakakuha siya ng puntos na talagang kill kung kill.
Yeah, I want to see her attempt to carry her team. Yung ganun na.
Buhat.
Para ma-unlock natin yung version na yun ni Omipon.
Wala tayo basa. Dali mo na rito ng dali. Ako na bahala doon.
Because she is capable of that. Rhea Magalona guiding this ball to the open spot. Very tight spot as well.
Magalona.
3-2. EAC with the early lead.
Parang middle pocket sa bilyar yun. Ang hirap puntahan. Oh, good save.
Eto na.
Point for the Lady Altas.
Another point for the Lady Altas. They got a swing from Shai. 3 apiece. Ang simula natin dito. Fifi Ariola. Sharp serve. Dayanan. Mariano. Single block by Alimen. Umipon. Off the block.
Shyla Umipon.
And Umipon getting that hit off the arms of the blockers could have been better if the two blockers were bunched up together, shuffling side to side and meeting at the apex to cover that spot. Kasi dadaan talaga sa kamay pag tumama sa gilid. But
especially for Shai Umipon. Kasi
kargado kargado talaga yung palo.
At saka 3 of the 5 perpetual points galing kay Shai Umipon, and Fifi Ariola adds to that with a service ace. Formento. Dayanan!
Good clean hit. Good control on the first ball. Formento just picking and choosing. Dalawa pa.
That's a good set.
Yeah.
Kasi isa lang yung pantay ni
proficient sila,
Dayanan.
Pagka sa gitna sila kumukuha ng palo, itong EAC. Hindi nga mga middle nila isang backline hit, tapos isang magandang buwelo na attacker dun sa gitna. Hindi pa middle blocker yung pumatay dun sa bola.
Yeah. Formento, running attack. Umipon, this is dug up by De Andres. Alimen! Whoa!
They'll
Tight
take it.
angle!
They'll take it. Going for that cut shot. Di man ganun ka solid yung tama. But angling that hit, ganda nung adjustment.
Nipis
Kita niya
nun.
Kasi alam nila na kargado pumalo. Medyo nag-shift to the right side of their defense itong Perpetual. And shifting that hit, that's a hard hit.
That's very hard. Underhand set here for Dayanan. Nasa likod naman si Andal. Umipon winds up, but it did not go through.
Not over.
6-5
Change
for
favor.
AC. So now, the Lady Generals are showing some fight here in the second set.
Meron meron tong team na to eh. They might, alam mo yung lacking lang siguro sa kanila is that yung gigil na kontrolin yung laro. Pero meron porsentuhan meron. Kaya lang, yung mga ganong mistakes, elementary mistakes, you want to eliminate that.
Especially if you're ahead. And you're a team who's trying to catch up here. Shai. Villena.
Good read.
Yep. Did not go for the ultimate power on this hit. Just a slight push, guiding it to the right spot.
Hirap na. Ako na, parang ang hirap na. May buwelo ka na running hit. Sabay, pagtalon mo, bigla mong kukontrolin na, ops.
Kakaliwa mo pa.
Alam mo na, didiin mo na papako mo
Yeah. Bodonal is denied.
Ito yung tamang mechanics naman on that kill block. Tamo, magkadikit na magkadikit, roofing it, and just the arms doing, dikit na dikit yung dalawang kamay. That's what you want to see as a coach na pagka blumock sila, magka-come together at the net. Kasi hindi vertical, shifting silang dalawa.
There was Palacio who got to it. Formento to Jaja here. Umipon keeps it up. And again, back to that play. And this time it works. And it sends us to our first technical timeout. Pagbalik natin, mapapakinggan natin ang report mula kay Julia Ong.
First technical timeout.
Kung sa Season 99 ay may new heroes of the game, itong unang siglo ay meron ding OG heroes ang NCAA. Hindi lang kasi mga sports legends at mga sikat na celebrities ang naging bunga ng NCAA schools, kundi pati na rin ang mga pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas at dating presidente. Produkto ng Kolehiyo de San Juan de Letran ang mga revolusyonaryong sina Apolinario Mabini at Emilio Jacinto. Ganun din ang mga dating presidenteng sina Manuel Quezon, Sergio
NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Ang determinasyon ng Lady Generals na lumaban ang pinaka-proud si Coach Rod. Bago nga daw ang kanyang kupunan kaya hindi siya masyado nag-e-expect mula sa mga ito. Pero as you can see, exceeding the expectations naman daw ang ibinibigay ng mga ito sa kanya. Ngayon, communication, connection, and consistency ang hiling niya mula sa mga ito. Ayaw daw niyang makita na inuuna nilang ma-frustrate kesa gumalaw ng tama. All for now, Martin and Coach Hammer.
Thank you, Julia. Ayan, mostly young players. Itong nasa lineup ng Lady Generals. Their biggest loss going into this season is really Kat Almazan, who was their leading scorer for a few seasons.
Yeah.
Diba?
Reyes din graduated na, no?
Yeah. So now, it's gonna be a new chapter for EAC.
Which is, you take the hits,
Ah.
but eventually, if you have a young squad that grows together, you just have to be patient with it, eh.
Yeah.
Dagdagan mo lang ng konting pasensya, maraming laro, and eventually, in 3 years' time, provided na magkakasama pa rin sila at walang lilipat,
Yeah.
meron kang stuff to work with.
Tawag nila doon.
Meron kasi uso na yan, eh.
Oo. Hindi, tawag nila doon, nahihinog na.
Oo,
Kapag
ganun talaga.
magkakasama sila ng maraming taon.
Mhm.
8 apiece. Bedanya! Feathery touch in front. Aliman with the help of the net!
Point for EAC.
Mababa daw yun. Mababa yung set, pero okay lang. She will take the points. Yan kasi underhand set. Medyo, yun talaga malaking tulong yung net.
Kung ikaw si Bustamante doon, there was nothing you can do.
Wala na.
Diba?
Charge it to experience na lang yung
Yeah.
Brad.
Yung net na yung nagdikta. This is Ann Formento.
Graduating this year?
Yeah, supposedly. Ito si Ann. She's been in the EAC stable for a few seasons already. As we see this attack from Bodonal. Bustamante. De Andres, nababasa na yung mga atake niya. Dayanan. Kept alive by Umipon. Bustamante. Back row hit for Aliman. Sinagot ni Andal. Petanya with a delay. Magalona. Andal again with great defense. And it leads to this Bustamante attack who is now in double figures.
Quite quiet in the second set. A lot of the heavy lifting in the first set. Pero ganda ng mechanics talaga niya pumalo. Maganda yung mechanics niya pumalo. Nakikinig sa coach.
I have to credit half of that point to the effort of Marian Andal na sinagot at sinalo yung mga malulutong na atake nitong EAC.
Makunat niya.
Oo.
Rinig na rinig mo eh.
Yeah. 9-all here in the second. Bodonal! Whoa. Umipon. De Andres. This is a good pass. Marian again. Shai winds up and puts it down.
Point for the Lady Artis.
Perpetual overtakes here in the second set. Shayo Mipon gives them back the lead.
Di pa nga ganun kakargado yung palo ni Shai.
10 points for Bustamante already. She's been really active since the beginning of this match. Uy! Hirap naman ang first ball. This will be a... Uy! Hindi nga tumawid.
Error by EAC.
So EAC in this stretch, they're falling apart. Erica Budonal, papalitan ni Alex Razonable. 11-9.
11 serving 9.
Bustamante again. Serving it well. Nahihirapan si Aliman. Alex overcooks it.
Attack goes out.
Perpetual
ito,
with a string of points. Yeah.
Shaky to. You want to be locked in step with them. Talking about the Lady
12
Generals.
serving 9.
Interesting setup here. First ball
Slightly
na
better
naman.
pickup. Pero oo nga not enough to get them a clean attack. Ooh.
That's a clean attack.
Alimen forced to set this up. Geno Mapas.
Attack hitter.
5-0 run now for the Lady Altas. And Coach Rod has seen enough.
Timeout by EAC. Score is 13-9 in favor of Perpetual Health.
Ano ba naman, lagi na tayo ganito pumapasok. Kaya ka nape-pressure eh. Organize mo sa likod. Kailangan, wag nyo nang gawa ng paraan na pumapalo pa ng alanganin yung mga outside hitter mo. Kasi magpapatong ka ng isa. Ipitin nyo na muna si Jing. Pwede?
Yeah, ang nagiging problema ng EAC in the last two plays, yung first ball nila, parehas tinarget itong si Jing Alimen. So now, eto, Razonable and De Andres. Oh, si Alex yung kumuha dito. Combination, not gonna work.
Good save.
Still alive. Uy! Na-delay si Shai.
Trying to go for that combi.
That ends the run of Perpetual. Ito, supposedly also a patong play.
Dan serving 13.
10-13. Razonable will serve. Andal with a perfect give. Eto, siya na yung pumasa sa kanyang spiker. Formento. Alimen! Detonates!
Talagang maasahan mo siya, no? Basta bigyan mo ng magandang bola. Alam niya kung paano papatayin. Alam niya paano papalo. Masakto yung set sa kanya. And she knows, and she's not scared.
Yeah.
11 serving 13.
Grabe yan. Jing Alimen. 2 straight for EAC. Ooh! These errors are hurting EAC.
Hindi naman yung mga elementary mistakes.
Magmula pa.
Pagka-service kasi, you just want to get it in so you can...
Substitution for the Lady Altas.
This is
Number 14,
Uy
number 3.
coming in for the first time.
Now serving.
Pangalan niya, Dizerlin Joyce Uy. Ang tawag niya sa kanila, Bea. So that's her full name. 14-11. She comes in for serving purposes. Alimen. Outside. That bounced off the net. So Perpetual will re-establish a 4-point lead.
15 serving 11.
What a turnaround for the Lady Altas here in the second. Alimen! Sobra to! Geno Mapas! Alert at the net!
Kanina pa siya nag-aantay ng malinis na palo. She forced one kanina, but now, opportunity presents itself.
Magalona.
Over-received by the defense of Perpetual, and she was right there for that mini regalo.
Yeah. 15-12. Palacio! Activated by Fifi Ariola, and that brings us to this break. We'll be back after a few reminders.
Second technical timeout.
Marami sa mga student athletes ng NCAA ang tumutuloy sa mga professional basketball leagues at may mga piling atleta rin na nagiging basketball legends. Ilan sa mga past and future basketball legends ng NCAA ay sina Kaloy Loizaga, Lauro Mumar at Freddie Webb na sinundan nila Atoy Ko, Philip Cesar, Vergel Meneses, Alvin Patrimonio at Samboy Lim. Isama nyo na rin sina Romel Aducul, Rodi Santos,
Si Contra Perpetual on GTV, and Perpetual is on a roll right now. Palacio attacking from the middle. And that gives them the 4-point lead, 16-12. This has been quite a run already for the Lady Altas. Ever since falling behind early on, they have launched themselves into this 4-point lead.
Now serving.
Si Fifi Ariola, lethal at the service line, will now start. Razonable, better pass, Omapas. Omipon, denied. Ooh, Palacio!
They will take the points even if it was just ever so slightly hit by Palacios.
The fingertips lang yun, ano?
17
7
serving 12.
points for Palacio already. Oh, Villena.
Oh, good save.
Kinuha ni Andal. Omipon the drop. Ooh!
Pati mga drop ball, nagkakaroon na ng challenges dito. Ang EAC kanina, malinis na malinis sila dyan.
18 serving 12.
This is Shai Omipon's 10th point. And now the biggest lead for the Lady Altas. Combination naman para kay Omapas. Tight angle but made it work. Nihira yung patong tas cross court.
Now serving. Jennifer
Hirap nun, ha?
Umapas.
Yeah.
Mapapalateralist ka kung ikaw yung depensa eh. Mahihilo ka eh.
Lihis kasi. Oh! Palacio with some power this time.
Oh, Palacios hits in the middle. Okay itong Palacio ah. Like sa'yo meron eh. Meron at merong talent eh.
This is Palacio connecting on her 8th point. Again, EAC is getting good passes here on the first ball. Di lang talaga makapatay. Bustamante puts it through. And now, Perpetual has broken this set wide open. Bustamante gives them the 7-point advantage.
Dito. Ang pensa nyo eh, hindi kayo makakakuha ng puntos. Tapos pinababayaan nyo pa yung depensa nyo. Huwag nyo na pabayaan yung depensa nyo. Pag hindi pa black, ano gagawin? Pag ang set up na pa lang sa middle, ano gagawin? O, yung ginagawa nyo. Iba ginagawa nyo.
Yan yung mga lapses ng EAC that cost this turnaround in the second set. Etong si Geraldine Palacio, tubong Quezon mula sa Lucena City. And ang idol niya, she's 5'9", looks taller if you see her in person. As we see the sequence here, Mariano will try, sent back, and that's a point for the Lady Generals. Pero ang idol niya, Jaja Santiago.
Pre, middle eh.
Oo nga eh. Who, by the way, got a championship in the Japan League and just wrapped up her career with her team. So we're waiting to see kung ano yung next step. Oh, well,
kung parehas lang yung mga zero dun sa kontrata eh.
abangan natin. Meantime, 14-20. Hindi ito papakawala ng Perpetual. Mariano, who has been excellent for Perpetual today, both on offense and defense. This time, connecting on that clip.
No, getting rewarded din because she's been doing a lot of work covering the attacks nitong EAC.
Now, even at the net, anticipating that attack, Geno Mapas. That one rolls in.
Bonus points.
And now if you're EAC and you want to push back a little, perfect time to do it.
Villena serving.
Jaja Villena will begin. Derecho kay Andal. Mariano. Set back by Razonable.
Single coverage.
Not the tallest of blockers, but Razonable covers it well.
16 serving 21.
2 straight for EAC. Jaja Villena. Uy, ganda ng bigay. Inangat yung umapas. Razonable. Forced to angle that.
Oo, mahirap yun eh. Mahirap, nakita mo,
Yeah.
yung read lang na yun, na as a setter, nakita mo bumabackpedal pa yung attacker mo, tapos naka-set up na yung Magalona sa gitna. I mean, ano yung percentage play eh.
Yeah.
Ba't mo dadalhin doon sa hindi pa nakapwesto? You gotta give it to those who can attack. And safety din yun nung kakampi mo eh.
Yeah.
Mariano
Talaga
serving.
nga pa-backpedal,
Oo.
pa-sideways.
Nakita mo eh, hindi pa, kasi paparating pa lang sa isa bola, ini-scan mo na eh.
Yeah.
So alam mo kung sino yung nakapwesto na.
Ito, better hit coming from Alex. Umipon mula sa likod. De Andres was right there. Ooh, this is double contact on Magnay.
Double contact.
So, 23-16.
Growing pains of a young setter. Growing pains,
23
growing pains.
serving 16.
Oo, malinaw.
Pang Beach Volley na
Na set.
set yun.
Of course, in Beach Volley, are they using a heavier ball there? Okay, we gotta confirm. Razonable.
But definitely way hotter
Yeah.
climate.
Yeah. Set point situation for the Lady Altas.
The Lady Altas.
They're just
are
rolling
now at
here.
set point.
Not looking back after taking over. Magnay. Razonable.
Alex Razonable.
Gets one back.
Good timing there on that hit.
Pinakamalinis ni Alex Razonable ngayong
Medyo
araw na to.
nag-pause pa nga siya eh. Pause?
Tsaka tumalon, ano?
17 serving 24.
And now it's Magnay. Starting it up. Better serve. Uy. Soft push. Omapas. Easy up. Postamante. Tracked down by De Andres. But EAC could not get it on the second ball. 25-17 for the Lady Altas. They complete the fight back and comeback here in set number 2.